I welcome everyone in Kazakhstan. This week we celebrate our anniversary. On the 17th of November, we have 30th anniversary of Kazakhstan Stock Exchange. We came to that anniversary, I think we have a lot of achievements that we made. Right now we provide full range of services. We have 4 different markets. It's a securities market, FX market, a money market and derivatives market. We have broad range of instruments. During our 30 years journey, we basically launched different instruments step by step. We started to trade with FX securities, then state bonds, shares, corporate bonds. And as we go forward, we add more and more instruments. I think that we have developed together with our financial sector and with the economy of Kazakhstan. So we were providing different instruments to service the needs of our issuers and also to trade different securities for the brokers and for their clients. Right now in Kazakhstan we have a lot of institutional investors, we also have retail investors, and different companies come and borrow money from the stock market. Yes, indeed. We set up a CASIA clearing center this year. It has obtained already a number of licenses in order to provide full range of services as clearing center on the securities market. Right now we already shifted securities market to KCC. It has 42 brokers and banks which are members of clearing members of KCC. It will expand further. We'll shift all our clearing business from CASIA to KCC. And KCC is our 100% subsidiary to service our markets, but it will also provide services to other exchanges, whether it will be stock exchanges, commodity exchanges, crypto exchanges, or any other clearing business that will develop in Kazakhstan and in the region. For Kazakhstan, it's still important that we attract more companies to raise funding in the capital markets. The banking sector is quite developed, so the companies use the banking loans and different sources of financing their business, but we're aiming to have more companies going public and to raise financing through bonds or equities in the capital market. We're actively working with medium-sized businesses and small businesses to explain them how to basically go public, how to list securities, what kind of business can raise financing via capital markets. Also, we have a national program for privatization of state assets, so a number of companies first exploring these opportunities, and we had a number of IPOs already last year. It was Kazman Gas and Kigok Electricity Grid operated this year, had SPO, so we expect more IPOs from state sector. But of course, our main aim is to have private companies going public, so we'll be working with them. Another direction which is important right now is the ESG financing. We have been doing a lot of work during the past 3-5 years, but as an exchange we joined actually the Sustainable Stock Exchanges Initiative from 2015. For Kazakhstan it's very important. We adopted a net zero program until 2060, so we'll see more private businesses raising financing to finance their green projects. As a stock exchange, I see opportunities due to new technologies, so we're exploring new ways of basically trade the assets. For example, we are setting up CASIA Digital. Right now we have proof of concept, but I think within the next 2 years we'll start trading tokenized securities. Kazakhstan adopted carbon neutral policy to reach by 2060. So therefore, we have a lot of transformation going in the economy, both from national companies and private business. And therefore, we see more companies going to the market to raise financing. We have already 15 issues in the amount of more than 220 billion tenge. Those are different kind of bonds, social bonds, ecology bonds, basically green bonds. But right now, most of them are coming from development institutions, both international and local institutions, which by way they pass financing to private sector. But we see already private sector to raise financing. For example, we had a few initiatives for example, wind electricity raising financing, also state companies like Yugok raising financing. So we'll see, I think, more green financing which will be raised through the stock exchange.